Alright, what is up YouTube? Today we will be working on this 50cc pit bike. Today we will be getting it ready for new plastics, new seat, just everything new. So this is the pit bike that we will be working on today. It's a 50cc. We're gonna replace the plastics. We're gonna replace this carburetor, this inner tube and rim. I bought it like this. What we'll be also replacing is these little caps and screws right here. But first off, we have to strip it all down, get that ready to take everything off. This is a 110cc pit bike motor, electric start. This currently is just not running order. This is missing a spacer here, a whole bunch of little other parts. So let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna get the bike put up on something so we can start taking it apart. I can't even see this part earlier. I didn't show y'all. It's actually missing a whole foot peg on this side. I bought it for a really cheap amount. It's not a bad price. Yeah, it's missing that. I don't know what this is. Can y'all tell me what this is? Leave it in the comments below. What is this supposed to be? It's a peg or something? I don't know what they was thinking. What is this? Is this the inside of the tire? Yes, it is. Anyways, let's get right into taking all these plastic off and getting it ready. Sheetrock screw. Yeah, they did not know what they was doing. It actually has one zip tie holding the whole plastic on. I'm gonna pop that zip tie on. Alright guys, let's see the whole plastic just come off at one time. What is this? This is really disgusting. Do you see this? What were they thinking? Anyways, these are gonna go to the trash. I'm gonna keep the seat. I'm gonna be removing these screws. Oops, I dropped the screwdriver. Those are trash. I won't be needing these anymore. As y'all can see, this is full of dirt. Look at that, look at it close. What? Best believe I'm gonna do the works to this. I'm gonna give y'all the first startup since I bought the bike. I heard it start up for at least 1 second. I heard this bike start up. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak peek of, it has a lot of compression. A lot of compression to be a pit bike. Well, a 50cc pit bike at that. Let's see a little startup before I go and remove all the gas tank and stuff. I'm gonna probably board it out to a 70cc. I'm not sure yet. It'll be alright. Inside the house right now. It's not really a bad bike that I thought it would be. It smells like smoking a little bit. Let's check the gas. Gas smells okay, like it's new. This bike has been sitting for at least 4 months, the guy said. Let's check the oil. That's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's alright. Doesn't have no really sparkly look to it, like ring look. So that's a good sign. Let's finish getting this gas tank off. First, let's turn off this gas before anything. Gas came out a little bit. It stopped. I had to like sort of kind of squeeze it in a different way because look, as y'all can see, it's cracked right there. We have a major problem. This gas line won't stop throwing out gas. I closed the little little cap right here. I closed it. It still won't stop throwing out gas. So what I'm gonna have to do is find something to put up inside of the little holes. Let's see if this will work. I don't know if that's a good angle right there. Just added on a little C-clamp, well, a little clamp right there to stop the gas from coming out. As y'all seen, all that gas just came out. Gotta clean up all this gas. Yeah, let's get back to taking this gas tank off. So let's get it back on the stand. I would have to be ordering a new gas tank for this too. As y'all can see, it has a hole right there that's leaking gas. We're gonna get to taking the carburetor off. So what we'll be doing is removing this air filter. This is actually a really good air filter to be running on your bike. Yeah, so let's get right into it. You don't really have to loosen this a lot. You can just loosen it just a little bit. Pop this right off. My carburetor is choking up really bad. What I also have to do is remove the whole throttle. That right over here. All the other parts, trash. What else I can probably also remove today is all the wiring. Let's get to removing all the wiring. We're gonna get to removing the carburetor. I don't really need to remove the whole carburetor. I need to remove this throttle cable. So today, guys, I will not be removing all the wiring. We're gonna jump right into getting this all ready for a rebuild. That's for another project. This 110 motor will be for another project in this YouTube channel. Yes, we're gonna rebuild that. We will also be putting on new parts next video and getting that whole inside motor broken down. Piston, taking everything out, the piston, crankshaft, everything will be getting put in. That's about it. Okay guys, so we're gonna, get into removing this wire harness, removing this muffler, spark plug, removing this carburetor. We'll also be removing this kickstart, gear shifter. Let's get right into it. So let's get right into removing all the parts. Can't forget about this air filter. First, let's start off with removing this carburetor. So what's happening now is one of these screws are stripping. So I'll have to come with this. By the way, I picked this motor up for a very, very good price. I'm talking good price, like very. It might not run, but has brand new CDI wiring, but needs piston rebuilt and gaskets. So I'll be removing this starter positive, setting this to the side. I'll be removing all of these wires. Did y'all just see what happened? This wasn't even plugged. It wasn't even plugged up, all right? By the way, I tested the motor with positive and negative. It does not have any compression. Let's see if we can remove this muffler. Let's see right in here. And I also am gonna paint the dirt bike frame, but that'll be in a later video. First, I wanna get it running, idling. It idles perfect, but actually wanna know that it's gonna run and not break down on me, I can probably set this up here. Like I was saying, I can probably rebuild this motor in the next video for y'all. I have to see when the parts can come. The earlier the parts can come, the earlier the video. But as y'all know, this is my first video. I would like for y'all to hit that thumbs button, subscribe, and turn on that post notification button. Y'all can leave a comment and let me know what y'all like to see. I will be looking at everybody's comments. Yeah, please share the video. Wow, look at this. That's bad, super bad. And y'all let me know, should I put this motor on a quad or on a dirt bike? Y'all let me know. or I'll just build that dirt bike and build a quad. Y'all let me know in the comments. Just let me know. You serious? This whole kickstart is like, well, gear shifter is like upside down. Feels stripped. And we have a gear box leak. Also have a gearbox leak, as y'all can see. Right inside of there, where the gear rod come out, it's leaking oil. So this motor will really need a full rebuild. And it's gonna get a full rebuild. Let's check the oil, see how the oil is. Very low, but very clear. So that's a good thing. Okay guys, this is where I'm gonna be wrapping up the video. Y'all let me know what y'all wanna see me do with this 50cc and that 110. What frame should I get to run that 110 on?
Susie on the track.
And what mods should I get for this 50? And y'all can also let me know what other videos would y'all like to see. Please hit that like button, subscribe, turn on that post notification button, and leave a comment. That's about it.